Next exercise in our routine is a dumbbell pullover. This is really nice, and it's important to think of this exercise as actually a stretch strengthening exercise. So we're taking the shoulder into full shoulder flexion, and then we're going to be pulling ourselves out. It's going to be a great strengthener for the lats, but more importantly, it's going to allow us, as we develop strength and flexibility, it's going to allow us to get into overhead pressing motions more comfortably and have appropriate overhead lifting mechanics. So we're going to take our weight, we're going to lie down on the bench. We can have the feet on the floor or on the bench, whatever is more comfortable depending on your height. You're going to grip the head of the dumbbell, so one end of your dumbbell. We're going to set the abdominals, and so this is important. We want to maintain our natural lordotic curve on the bench, so you're going to think of arching your back ever so slightly, and then when you exhale, we want to pull the ribs down so you feel your abdominals engage. Holding that position with the abs, we're going to reach back behind the head until we get a full stretch, and then return up. Exhale, set the abdominals, and then we're going to reach back over the head with the weight until we get a full deep stretch, and then return the weight overhead. We want to watch that we don't allow the rib cage to lift up, because then we end up kind of cheating the range of motion. By setting the abdominal muscles, we hold our rib cage still, and it allows us to get a good stretch through the shoulder and then return back up. This one, it's a really good idea to start with a light to moderate rate for your first few sessions and make sure you're comfortable with the position. And then as you develop strength over time and good technique, we can start increasing the load on the weights.